Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best alternative to MS Paint, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to download, install, and use Krita, a free and powerful drawing app. Krita is perfect for basic drawing, painting, and simple image editing, and it works great as an MS Paint replacement. Let's start. First, open your web browser. Type krita.org in the address bar and press enter. Click on Download and click on Windows Installer. After the download is complete, open the setup file. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and continue with the default options. Now click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once installation is complete, click Finish and open Krita. Now let's create a simple sample drawing using basic tools. Start with New Image and Create. First, select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle. Next, you can change colors easily from the color palette on the right side. Choose the Ellipse tool to draw a circle. Hold Shift while dragging to make a perfect circle. Now select the Fill tool, also called the Bucket tool. Choose any color you like and click inside the rectangle to fill it. As you can see, creating simple drawings in Krita is very easy, just like MS Paint, but with more powerful features. That's it. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.